Hi, Scott Jordan here for Erik's Laboratories. Today we're going to talk about flood and water damage cleanup procedures. But before we get started on that, I want to kind of give a little bit of preamble as to what you can and what you can't do. The products we're going to talk about are for minimal damage. If you have severe damage in your home or your business, the best thing is to call a professional. These products are not going to solve major water damage, like if you have a office or your house that has sheetrock and you've had excessive amount of water in there and it's started to creep up the sheetrock. None of the products that we sell are going to be any good for that. That sheetrock is going to have to be cut out. So with that said, there's nothing wrong with hiring a professional if you have a really bad problem. What we're going to talk about is minimal damage that you can probably take care of yourself. So, going back to the original theme of Erik's and three-dimensional odor and pathogen control, we're going to start out with our subsurface control, and that's going to be with Erik 66. This is a biological product. This would be particularly helpful for when you have sewage damage, overflows of toilets, that type of thing. You want to be able to use a product that's going to consume the organic matter, and Erik 66 is perfect for that. Next in line would be Erik's 101. This is a fantastic cleaner as well as a odor counteractant. If it's just general cleaning, you want something that's going to be very effective but also going to offer some odor control, and that would be Erik's 101. Now we're going to get into a little bit more into the surface action and talk about some germicidal products. We have two products here, Erik's 44, actually three products, Erik's 44 ACE, Erik's 44 HDQ, and Erik's 80. Each one has a different specific purpose. Let's start with Erik's 80 first. Erik's 80 is a sanitizing carpet shampoo. This is excellent for situations where maybe your carpet's gotten some moisture on it, but not enough that would require it to be ripped out. It's a sanitizing carpet shampoo, and it's rated specifically for odor-causing bacteria. Unlike the regular disinfectants we're going to talk about in a second, this is only against odor-causing bacteria. It can be used through an extractor, low moisture carpet cleaning, as well as spotting. So that's for your carpets. Going to your hard surfaces, we have the disinfectant products. We have 44 ACE and 44 HDQ. The main difference between these two is the HDQ is a slightly higher pH, so it's going to be a little bit more effective for cleaning. ACE is a neutral pH, so it's not going to be quite as aggressive as the cleaning ability that you would get with the HDQ. So that kind of differentiates the two. These products are also effective against mildew. A little bit of difference in the mildew claim is that this will kill the source of the mildew and the mildew itself, but not the stain. That's where you get into a bleach type product, and we have actually a brand new product called Erik's Extend Plus. This is an additive for use with your bleach itself. You can add this to the bleach and it extends the parts per million level, so it's more effective for a longer period of time. So again, if you have mildew stains, you want to be using a bleach. If it's just mildew itself and you want to remove the source of the mildew, you want to use these disinfectants. That gets us over to airborne, and we have a couple different products here for airborne. Erik 60 is fantastic. Erik 60 is something that you can use directly on the source of the odors, or you can mix it with water and spray it in the air. If you have just general airborne odors, Erik's 29. This is really, really effective because it's an aerosol. It puts out an extremely small particle size. It remains airborne for quite some time. It's able to commingle with the organic matter that's up there and change the shape of the molecules so it's no longer perceived as a foul odor. For really bad situations, we have the Freshen Air. This takes up to 5 of these microcell blocks, plugs into the wall, and can be moved around the different areas depending upon what your situation is. Again, up to 5 of these blocks, so extremely important for doing really bad odor control situations. Just to recap, again, we want to remove all your waterlogged materials. You want to clean and disinfect your hard surfaces, sanitize your carpets, or if it's just simple odors in the air, you can do something as simple as the Erik 60. Hope that helps with your situation, and again, if it's really bad, get a professional. Thanks a lot. There's more information on these products at eriksinfo.com, and also the full kill claims for the disinfectant products are up there for you to download as well. Thanks a lot.